Hello everybody, welcome to my video today. I wanted to share with you guys a really fun project, and I've been wanting to do this for a couple weeks and I couldn't decide if I was really going to dive in and do it, and I decided to go ahead and dive in and do it. So you might be wondering, what are these sitting here on my desk? I picked these up at the dollar store. Okay, you guys, I love the dollar store for lots of different things. I think it's a really fun place to pick up different seasonal items, decor items. I have a few things in my craft room that I've gotten from there. This being one of them, this little, I think it's supposed to be a candle holder, but I actually use it as a pen holder, and it matches my craft room really well because my craft room is done in black and white and teal. And so I like to pop in there every once in a while. And the other day I bribed my kids and I was like, I don't even know what it was. If you clean your room, if you do this, if you do school, I don't know what it was. I was like, I will take you to the dollar store and I will let you pick out 5 toys. And I mean, right, as a kid, 5 toys, 5 of them, they couldn't believe it. And so we went and I looked at the fall decor stuff, and I had seen these floating around online, and I was like, they're so cute. I really love them. They're these wood pieces and they're pumpkins, and then they have these sayings on them. And I thought I could do something really cute with these, and they're $1, right? So I picked them up. I think there's actually a white one that goes with it. I think there's a black one, an orange one, and a white one. They only had the black and orange at my Dollar Tree, which it happens if you are shopping at a dollar store. What one store has, another store might not have. And so I picked these 2 up. Now, I really like the this orange one, just how it is, other than this, this ribbon thing. I'm actually going to take this off, and I'm going to add actual ribbon to it. This is what the dollar store is great for, is to pick up these items and then to DIY them or dress them up with all of the crafty things we have. So I'm going to peel that off. And you could totally leave I like this one, and I could totally just add some ribbon to it and it would be totally fine. This one I like, but the gold on here, it's really anytime you have glitter, obviously it's gonna get everywhere. But then there's just something about the gold glitter that I feel I don't know, might make it look a little bit cheap. I don't know, is that a bad word to use? But it could just make it not look it could just look better, I feel like. So I'm gonna peel off this too because I want to add different ribbon to that. But then I thought, what if I added some plaid paper? So this is the plaid designer paper from the Plaid Tidings. And I thought, what if I add some designer paper to this pumpkin and do something a little bit different with it? Could I make it something really cute by doing some stamping or adding some designer paper? So that's what I'm gonna do today. So I'm gonna clear this stuff off. I'm gonna get the hot glue off of this. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you what I do. I think I'm gonna just start with the black one and see what I can do. And then I'll show you how I'm just adding a little something to this. Okay, you guys, let me show you what I've done. Let me zoom in a tiny bit. I am so excited about this project. Okay, so the first thing I did is I found a piece of the Plaid Tiding designer paper that I really liked, and I really like this plaid one. This I feel like it's more fall colors. And you could do this with any designer paper. You could do this with the Gilded Autumn paper. It would be beautiful with that. So I'm just gonna use some of the liquid glue, and I just laid this down and I traced it. And that's how I cut it out. So you can see that it is the exact shape, and then it's black here, which will be fine because my house decor has this black accent to it, so it'll be totally fine. The other thing you could do is you could paint these, and I'm choosing to do this on the back, and then I'll keep this, and so you could use it either way if you wanted. And you could get several of these and cover them in several different types of paper, and really, I mean, it is endless the things you could do with these. So I've just added that paper with the liquid glue. I pulled out some of this ribbon. This is the seam, the crushed curry seam binding ribbon. And this ribbon, it was on the clearance rack. I don't know if it's still there or not. It was on the clearance rack this week. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue down in here. I'm really not worried about this falling off, but if, you know, it's not going to hurt it to have some glue on it and for it to stay. And then you can see when I was scraping off that hot glue, I scraped off a little bit of the paint, but that's okay because I'm going to put this ribbon on it. And this ribbon just happens to go with this paper, and sort of the way, like my decor, it'll go nicely. So I'm just gonna wrap this around and then tie a bow. And already, just by doing that, it really gives it a different look than what it had with the twine that was on there, which it was fine. The twine was fine. You could have left that. But then I'm also going to leave this ribbon a little bit long so it hangs down, and you can just fluff this and, you know, play around with it. But it will go like that. So the next thing I did is on my computer, I just printed this, and it says leaves are falling, autumn is calling. And this is just from a SVG file that I have with a bunch of fall and autumn sayings and different things. And so I just printed it on Whisper White cardstock. If you have the regular Whisper White cardstock, you can put that right through your printer and it will be fine. I just have a normal printer and I can do that. And then I cut it down and I used my sweetly stitched scalloped rectangles, and I'm gonna put this now right on here. And I'm gonna add some dimension to it by adding some foam to it. Now I could have printed this in color. I just printed it in black, but I could have changed the color if I wanted, or I could have cut this out on my Cricut or my Silhouette, and I could have done something creative that way. But this was just really quick and really simple. And that's the kind of projects I like, just quick and simple. And I just tested it out. I printed it on regular printer paper and tested it. Oh, that's fantastic that that happened. And tested it to see if the die was going to fit. And then once I knew the die was going to fit, I printed it on Whisper White cardstock. So cute, right? So now the very last thing that I want to do is I want to add some sequins to this, because you guys know how much I love sequins. So I just want to find some that will work. I sort of like these. Rhinestones to these, whatever you would like. And I think that this turned out so cute, and it'll just sit up like that, which will be really cute. And then I will do something with this one. I think I might pick out some different paper instead of the plaid paper. I think that I'll do the Simply Gilded paper, and I'll show you in a photo if I end up doing this one. But this one came out so cute and I love it. Very simple. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you think, and let me know if you are gonna head to Dollar Tree and try to find these cute little pumpkins. Thanks so much, guys, for hanging out with me today, and I will talk to you guys later. You guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are two other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.